We've all heard of that guy who claimed wearing a baseball hat caused him to lose his hair, and yet there is no documented evidence that this is the case. Genetics and sometimes health issues are the prime reason for hair loss. But with that being said, can a hair system increase or aggravate hair loss? It's not wearing the system that can hurt your hair follicles, but how the system is removed. Like waxing, if you aggressively remove the hair system, pulling the hair out from the root, you could damage the follicle and lead to less hair. Always ensure you are removing the hair system without being aggressive to your biohair by either removing the system by going with the hair growth pattern from the back to the front, or using a solvent to help break down any adhesives, making it easier to remove the system. Doing this will ensure you do not aggravate or increase your hair loss. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.